Are you wondering what it's like to work at a startup? Or maybe you are lucky enough to already be working at one, but you'd like to learn more from others who have already been there. Or maybe you are considering starting your own company. Now, there's an exciting adventure. If so, I'm guessing you also have a lot of questions. Questions like, what is working at a startup really like? And how is a startup different than an established company? Do scientists really enjoy working at a startup? I hear many startups fail. How can I make sure that mine doesn't? And what exactly does it take to turn a brand new technology into a product? Those of you who are considering starting your own company might be wondering, can a scientist be a good entrepreneur? Or how do I pitch my new idea effectively so that I can get the support that I really need to be successful? Well, I'm Dave Giltner, founder of Turning Science, and I have heard many of these questions from many scientists. So I built the workshop, Startup Basics for Scientists. And in this workshop, I give you answers to all those questions and more. Now, I've worked in the tech industry for more than 25 years, from very large companies to very small companies. I find startups the most interesting of all. It's challenging, of course, but it is so exciting to be part of a team that is building something completely new. I've interviewed many successful entrepreneurs for my books and learned what they enjoy about it and a lot of lessons about how to be successful at it. And I also mentor startups and help them get off the ground and become successful. And 6 years ago, I became an entrepreneur myself when I started Turning Science. Now, like all of my workshops, this one is very interactive with lots of discussion. If you already have the opportunity to register for this workshop, I encourage you to sign up. We will have a great time and you will learn a lot. And bring your questions. I love questions from the participants because sometimes those start the very best discussions. Now, if you came across this video on your own and you'd like to take this workshop, follow the link in the description below. It will take you to my contact page where you can send me a message and I will help you figure out how to get into this great workshop. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click that like icon below. It will really help me, but more than that, it will help the other people who could really benefit from this workshop. Because as we all know, more likes means YouTube will show it to more people. Now, let's get out there and turn science into things people need.